Now we have the overall box frame. There's a couple of things we can do with this. So if you want to change the height, so you've chosen to do like a bedside cabinet instead of a chest, you can come in and highlight the piece you want to change, expand your piece, activate the piece you want to change, come down here. If I make this one, say, 700 tall, you can see it's kind of messed up the design a little bit, but then if we come in here, click the side that we want, expand our pieces, activate the rail that you want, double click here and make that one 700 as well. Give it a bit of a jiggle, compress the pieces that we want, and activate that top dot there. You can see that that's quickly changed to that style of project. If I wanted to change this rail again, up here, you don't have to do this to one side. So if I wanted to make that slightly wider, so maybe make it 350, and activate that top dot again, you can see that's adjusted the whole project to be quite a lot bigger.